Good evening, everyone. It is Monday, the 12th of May, 2025. It is a cool one. It is plus 12 right now on the west coast of Okanagan Lake. The rain had stopped earlier on this afternoon. It is almost 8 o'clock, quarter to 8 on the west coast here. It is cooled down, like I said, plus 12. Smells like snow in the mountains. So if you're going over the Coquihalla Connector, just drive safe. You never know. Might run into a freak snowstorm. Almost looks like there's snow out there in Black Mountain, but it is some weird looking clouds out there. Anyways, no sunset tonight. No clear skies. It might be raining later on tonight. So make sure your sunroofs are closed and your pets are in, because they might get wet. Take care, stay safe. Peace out.